Nigerian House of Representatives Committee on Women Affairs and Social Development invites stakeholders and the general public to the public hearing on the following consolidated bills. Bill for an Act to establish Child Rights and Welfare Commission for the protection of children's rights and for related matters, HB 558. A bill for an Act to establish National Child Protection and Enforcement Agency and to provide necessary protection and care for the Nigerian child and for related matters, HB 2090. In view of the above, the committee has scheduled the public hearing as follows. Date: Wednesday, 23rd July 2025. Time: 10 a.m. Venue: Conference Room 231, House of Representatives, National Assembly Complex, Abuja. Please note that all stakeholders and the general public are requested to forward 25 hard copies and a soft copy in flash drive of their memoranda to the committee's secretariat, Room 328, 3rd floor, White House, House of Representatives, National Assembly Complex, Abuja, on or before Monday, 21st of July 2025. For further inquiries, contact clerk to the committee on 0803-349-9084. Accepts the assurances of the committee's regards. Announcer: Honorable Kafilat Adetola Ogbara, Committee Chairman.